Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your mood with Moodfit beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Moodfit app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the home screen. Begin by setting your mood for the day using the mood tracker. Select the most accurate option that represents how you feel. Next, explore the various tools available in the app. Look for the exercises section to find mood-enhancing activities. Choose a mindfulness exercise to help ground yourself. Alternatively, explore the journaling feature to express your thoughts and feelings. Consider adding a gratitude entry to boost your overall mood. Check out the goals section to set personal emotional well-being targets. Start small by selecting achievable goals for your mental health. Make sure to track your progress regularly to see how you've improved. Use the insights generated from your mood tracking to identify patterns. Take advantage of the expert articles and resources provided for additional support. Engage with the community aspects of the app if available. Connect with others for shared experiences and motivation. Remember to revisit the mood tracker each day to monitor changes over time. Utilize notifications to remind yourself to check in on your mood. Consider scheduling time for the exercises you've enjoyed most. Stay consistent with your new routines to truly see improvements. Lastly, take time to reflect on your journey through the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.